Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an F26 error. So what is this error and how do we get rid of it? So the error is that the machine is sensing that the water is too hot. So this could be really one of two things causing it, in two categories of things. Number one would be the water is too hot. And number two would be that there's something wrong, that the sensor is defective and it's sensing that the water is too hot, even though it's not. So you're going to want to check and make sure that the heater relay is working properly, that if you have hot water coming in, that you're not sending water in that's too hot. It shouldn't be above 194 degrees Fahrenheit. And if that's not the issue, then it might just actually be the NTC sensor, that is the temperature control sensor, that is sensing the water is too hot even though it's not. So again, it's either the water's too hot or the machine is erroneously sensing that the water is too hot. If you figure which one of those out it is, you'll be able to fix the problem. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.